Hi, good morning, everyone. It's a happy Tuesday today, and we will begin by reading our morning message. Now it's getting a little cut off there. Let me just tilt it back a little bit. Today is 4/21/20. Happy Tuesday, first grade friends. You see, I'm excited there, so I put an exclamation point. Today is April 21st. We will begin focusing on Earth Day projects, starting with an optional craft. Optional means you can do it if you want to do it. You don't have to do it, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I went ahead and already made my craft. I'll be posting a video about it, and I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to tell you that it's going to be pretty exciting and it's going to be pretty fun. So I hope you enjoy that, and I would love to see your creativity. Get as creative as you feel you want to get with it, and I would love to see some photos of your crafts. Maybe you can bring them with you to read aloud tomorrow if they are done. All right, let's go ahead and go through our schedule. I'm sorry I forgot to do this yesterday. I was really tired yesterday morning and it didn't work out and I just forgot. But here we go. Ready? Morning meeting, language arts, outside time, math, lunch, language arts again, project time, that's our craft I was talking about, and a read aloud, and that's our live read aloud with Mr. Scott. Miss Shannon's going to be there most days too. And I think we had about 12 total today, so 10 students and 2 teachers, which was a lot of fun. And we met a lot of dogs and cats, and we saw some brothers and sisters in the background, and we heard some parents in the background, and it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun to meet that way. All right, let's take us over to our calendar and our days of the year. And you can see how many days. We were at 139 yesterday. Today, something exciting happens. We are at 140. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take that 10 bundle and I'm going to move it over into the 10 spot. So let me get a little bit of tape. Tape around the middle there. And we have another 10s bundle there. So what's going to happen there is these 10s from this category, because that's going to be a full 10, goes over into this category. So that's going to be 4 10s in there now. And now we have nothing in here, right? This is completely empty. All the 10 single ones that went over here, went to a 10 bundle, went there. So this is now going to be empty, or we're going to put that to 0 1s, okay? On our pattern for the calendar, you can see here that we're, I'll tilt that down just a little bit, that we're on the 21st day of school, and we've been over our pattern a number of times, but right now it went, the last pattern was yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, green, blue, indigo, violet, right? So our next color is going to be indigo. I'm going to go ahead and make a 21. And tomorrow's exciting because it's Earth Day. So we'll have to do maybe something special with that day there. I don't know, maybe we'll decorate it a little bit or something. But to me, Earth Day is like a holiday, like Easter or Halloween or Christmas or Hanukkah to me, or your birthday. It's a holiday to me, Earth Day. It's the day we celebrate our Earth. And I love that. I try to celebrate our Earth every day. And I know we have a strong philosophy at our school around the Earth, and we really need to do a lot to protect the Earth and to love the Earth and to appreciate it. And a lot of what we'll be doing this week will be focusing on our Earth. Okay, let me take us back to, whoop, holy smokes, I almost dropped the camera. That was a close call. But close doesn't count, right? We're fine. We're totally fine. Okay, here we go. So today is going to be rainy and potentially windy. So I heard rain in the morning turning into thunderstorms in the afternoon. And I heard those thunderstorms can bring some pretty high winds. Okay, and I don't have one of these for hail, but I am told that we could potentially expect some hail. We know that sometimes when a cooler front meets a warmer front, and stuff like that, or a high pressure system meets a low pressure system, sometimes we get some weather that's unstable. And I think tomorrow is going to be one of those transitional days where we're going to get some unstable weather and potentially some hail and some high winds. So be careful if you are outside tomorrow. And of course, listen to your parents on all things with that. Okay, it's going to be a high of about 59 degrees, which is, I think I consider that a little on the cooler side. I know I need to mow my grass, so hopefully in the morning, this morning I can get out there and mow my lawn before we get all that rain and stuff. But I am hoping that Earth Day is a clear day, a sunny day, because I have something fun that I want to do. I want to go to Lucy School campus and do something fun, and I'm going to need some better weather for that. It's not like I couldn't do it in the rain, but I don't necessarily want to or would choose to be out there in the rain. But even if it rains, I might go anyhow. I just have to make a decision on that, okay? So that's that about that. And we'll be sending some more great assignments to you today. In math, we're talking about things that are larger than and smaller than. We're comparing, objects. And I want you to do something just in general as you're moving around your house, as you're looking around, start comparing things and saying, is that picture smaller than that other picture, or is it larger than that other picture? Is that TV remote smaller than a cell phone, or is it larger than a cell phone? I'm sorry, we're talking about measurement, we're talking about length. So is it shorter than or longer than? I correct myself. Okay, we're talking about not larger or smaller, we're talking about length. And length is, the length of this is from here to here. So we're from here to here. I couldn't get that finger point. I hit it on the edge there. So from here to here. So what we're talking about is the length of things, shorter than or longer than. We're going to do a bit more with that today. So I hope everybody has a great morning with your studies. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I will see you this afternoon for Read Aloud. Have a great morning. See ya.